go. You know what? I kind of thought it was gonna be so crusty under here, but it's not. I mean,
yeah, it's savable.
It's like,
but you can see that this frame rail's starting to go too. Though.
Yeah. Holy crap! Look at that. I mean, like this part. Oof.
Look at the screws, bro. Look at he touched the fuel line.
Oh shit! What the fuck?
He was very close to puncturing it.
Wow. What's this wood screws, huh?
And look at his brake lines. That's the right way to repair it, though. Other than doing the whole line, that's a union flare. That's not a compression.
Doesn't Nick know this? I think it's insane.
Hey, buddy.
Nice.
There we go. Come up a little bit more. Alright.
Roll back.
It's the way behind brand of D.I.Y. We'll see you. Get modern section a little bit.
Good?
Keep on going. Probably come up a little bit.
I think it'll clear, yeah. Oh, straight back.
Right, Jack, might get away.
Wait, hold on. My hand's hitting the harness real quick. Look a little bit.
What's that?
Alright, should be alright.
Right, Jack.
You saw us taking apart the E36. It's a 97 BMW E36 M3 with an S52, which you already saw, which is right here. Anyway, if you guys are interested, take a look at his video. Take a look. He's doing a part out. I'll put his Instagram right here. That way you'll be able to subscribe to him. Just leather. Oh yeah, I don't have a vice grip yet. I'm gonna get one.
It's a whole different engine now.
Perfect. Now
Look at Devin's car. You know the stop suspension weren't on stop. Grab the ladder, unlock the keys. Yo, Nash's.
My brother had the
Type R B series motor. What's the lettering, the coding? What? No backing plate or anything?
For real?
Dude, I had such a good morning on fucking Modern Warfare 2 this morning.
Did you? I was playing last night.
This doesn't look like a Honda.
What kind of Honda is this?
Hey, what's up you guys? So I didn't do an intro, cut through the chase with that B-roll and pretty much show you guys on the E36 teardown. Pretty much so far so good. It worked out pretty well. We got through everything. I ended up stopped filming for a little bit just so we can get through the day and get everything out of the way and just, you know, finish up, of course. Next person that, for the next person that buys this, definitely not gonna be me. I would love to own this, but it does need some work. And also I already have enough work on my hands. Already.
Dripping oil, that's okay.
Oh, well, some little washer.
We're good.
Yeah.
Just hold it right like that.
How's it look over here? I mean, it doesn't look too bad, but at the same time, it looks like shit.
It's also not clean, you know? There's a gouge right here, which, like, I don't know where that came from, but that's not.
It's a nice chain.
Brand new chain, cuz.
It's a nice chain.
Fresh out the ice box, you know what I'm saying? Steezy.
This chain. Oh, for the oil pan, never mind.
That's how you say it.
Yeah.
Take a look at the head and everything looks to be same.
Throw it up there for $2 grand.
Honestly, I look up what they're going for on eBay right now, and then just kind of take some money
Keep
away
in
whenever
mind.
you feel like, you know.
We gotta find out also is if this engine is original, if this wasn't swapped in. Because if it is, this is a 103,000 mile engine. If it's original to the car. You know what I'm saying? So that's one thing. I mean, I know
That block looks like it's been.
in that car.
Looks like it came from Germany.
Right. So you're saying like
That shit-
been swapped before?
Well,
No, I don't think it has.
No.
But I mean, that guy I bought it from was a sketch ball and a half.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Because like the passenger door,
Yep.
no, sorry, the driver door is not original. Like the key doesn't work with the lock because it's not VIN matching. But like the fender's VIN match besides the passenger one as well. And like everything else matches. So I want to know if the block will. And I don't have I think I have a picture of the VIN actually of my car somewhere. But anyways.
It's maybe half of it, actually, no.
I don't know where it would be stamped and how it would match, you know.
Yeah.
But
So what are you thinking right now with this motor, dude?
try to sell it. Sell the block. Hopefully. Maybe I can sell the head too. Sell both of them.
All separately?
No, I'll just sell it all together. Yeah. If I can sell the whole locomotive, I will. I really don't think the head's cracked, so I think I can sell it all.
Like you looked over, like you already looked over, right? Like nothing?
We looked, me and Kyle are looking at, alright, so if you look at this one especially, you see this mark right here in between?
Yeah.
We're not sure if that's just like a casting mark, because it seems pretty consistent all throughout and they're even. I mean, these are ones that are a little more dirty, so it might be hard to see, but there's one there that's like, is it a crack or is it a casting mark of some sort? I don't know.
Right.
It's hard to see. Some of them are a little more noticeable than others.
No, 100%.
This kid was like, I just think it wasn't like bled properly, like the coolant system.
Probably.
Which one?
My car.
Really?
That's what he's like, it could have been that.
Well,
But that's the thing though, why would it wouldn't have ran properly though? Because you were driving it, right?
wasn't your timing? His timing was off though too. His timing was
So
off.
what I've done is I bled a car, and it was almost car. I didn't bleed it all the way. Literally, as soon as it gets up to temp, if there's air in there, it'll come out. It'll burst the system, you know?
Speaking of air, the other day, chilling on my Dairy Queen, I put my shit in neutral. Wow, wow, wow.
No way.
I put it in the gear, put it back in neutral, it's gone. That IX toast.
You think this
That shit's toast.
think this will go through an ATM machine?
Do it on your phone.
Oh yeah, you can do it on your
You
phone.
can do it on your phone.
It's a lot easier.
Yeah, I think I can do it in my app.
Usually, like a check like in that condition, I just take it straight to the bank. Just save me the trouble.
Yeah, I think I'm just gonna
Like, hey.
put it in the car. $15 cuz.
Oh my god. Is that like a fucking refund or something?
They give it to me at work for using my cell phone like GPS.
That nice processor though. Everything is super clean.
OEM fluid, man.
Fucking weird. Put on boots. Wow.
A nollie pressure hard flip.
You're doing that on boots.
Because it's like this. That's
Currently
a,
just playing skate right now.
that's a heel flip.
Teaching us
No,
how to
that's a
skate.
kick
He's teaching us how to do
No, that's a heel flip.
Do a kickflip.
So, that's a kick.
I think, I don't know what you're doing. Whatever
I've
you're
landed
doing
one
now,
inward heel.
if you land that shit, and you do it in skate, people are gonna be like, how the fuck did you just do that?
Hey,
No,
what
I
did
know.
you do, bro? Like, you just invented a new trick.
The fact that you got it in the boots too like that?
Yeah,
I can
right,
get that's
dude?
'cause I can
Are you
get 'em.
serious?
It's like,
I think you just
Fuck.
invented a new trick, dude. What the fuck?
It is on there.
I found that one.
So far so good. I'm pumped, you know. We got everything situated. Kyle was finally brought over his engine hoist through his car. It was taken apart, and then we put it all together, and it worked out pretty well. So awesome. And you know what the cool thing is, he's had this for such a long time. It's still kicking in. I love it. This thing has pulled out so many motors. It's pulled out this guy. And it's certainly gonna be used for the E30 and for the Z3, which is outside eventually. But anyways, I wanna get going. I'm gonna continue this on. But yeah, stay tuned for the next video. Peace.